Hello, in this video we will discuss now function of Excel. It prints current date and time and it updates live. Means if you want to use always the current date and time means whenever you open the sheet and you want to use the time and date of that moment, so it will you use the better to use the now function, so it will pick the current at that moment, what is the time and date of that system of computer, it will pick it. So how we can print the current uh, date and time? Use now function. Now bracket start bracket close, very simple function. You can see it picked my system current time and current date, and it will update after some time. Whenever the time will change, it will update. Okay, let's move to another function, very simple function, today. Today function print current date, it updates live, it also updates live. So now function also print time and date, but today function only print date. So how it is used? Equal to today bracket close and today's date is printed. Let's see, here is another example, one example where there is one date and we want to know that how many days are passed after this date till today. We can use this function today along with days function. Then today function will always give us the latest value. Whenever you will open the sheet, it will use the current date and will give you answer. Let's say today the number of days are 42. If tomorrow you will open the sheet, it will show you number of days 43 because it will pick the latest date. Okay, so we will use days function. Days function actually calculates the day number of days between the two dates. So first we have to mention the end date. For end date means today's date is the end date. So use the end function, comma, the start date. Start date is this, bracket close. So there are 42 days till today. If you will open it tomorrow, it will show 43 days. Now go back to this now function. If you remember, when initially we used this command, it was 2300 hours. You can see now it is 2302 hours, means it is updating along with the time of the system.